Not gonna lie, this merch goes hard. I like the shirt. I like the cap. I like the hoodie. I think the best strategy is to just to walk faster. Otherwise, I'm gonna spend all my money on unnecessary stuff. There's so much cool stuff here. I'm gonna have a look everywhere though. This is where you can buy all the robes of the different houses. Ravenclaw. Hufflepuff. We got Slytherin. And last but not least, Gryffindor. So there's a candy section over there. Let's have a look. We got the beans. Free Dobby. Got some keychains. And I think that's about it. We're walking back to the lobby now, where the entrance was. Alright guys, let me show you the two pictures that I got printed out at the end. This is the first one. Playing some Quidditch. And another one. Riding on the broomstick. Next to Hogwarts. I also got other photos, but those are digital, so these two I got printed out just as like a nice souvenir. I like them.